Okay, so this sunscreen has completely changed my morning routine, SPF 50, and it feels like literally nothing on your skin.
No white cast, absorbs so fast. I'm actually obsessed. Go try it, seriously.
And the best part is it's completely invisible. You don't even know it's on.
Excuse me, what product is that?
Oh, it's Sunova, SPF 50, no white cast. It's amazing. It's like a daily glow in a tube.
Believe it or not, I didn't hire a content creator to make this ad. There was no filming, no lighting setup, no camera crew, and no editing session. This entire UGC-style product video started from a single request. Now, if you've ever tried creating UGC ads, you already know the process isn't always simple. First, you need to find a creator, send them a creative brief, wait for them to film the content, review revisions, and then edit everything together before you even have one version ready to test. But what if you could skip most of that workflow and generate a complete and AI UGC style video from one prompt instead? That's exactly what I wanted to test using Runway's new Agent Skills. In this video, I'll show you how I used the UGC video skill to turn one product idea into a finished talking to camera ad, and we'll see if the final result is actually good enough to use. Now, if you've ever created a UGC style ad before, you already know the process can be time consuming. First, you have to find the right creator, explain your product, review revisions, and then edit everything together before you even have one ad ready. If you want to test different hooks or marketing angles, you often have to repeat that entire process all over again. That's why I started looking for a better workflow, and that's where I found Runway. Runway is an AI creative platform, and what recently caught my attention is its new Agent Skills feature. Instead of simply generating images or videos, Agent Skills are designed to complete an entire creative task from a single request to a finished result. There are skills for things like ad campaigns, commercials, mood boards, motion graphics, and social media thumbnails. The best part is that you can even build your own custom skill from scratch by clicking Write It yourself. Sometimes, even after completing a project for a particular product, you can simply ask it to create a skill based on that workflow, and Runway will get that immediately for you, and your new skill will appear alongside the other available skills. This is especially useful if you're creating similar ads for different products, because you won't have to start from scratch every time. With Runway Skill, your productivity is 10 times faster rather than doing everything yourself. These new Agent Skills are available now, so if you'd like to try them yourself, I've included my special link in the description below. You can also get 50% off your first month on any paid Runway plan by using the code SKILLS50 at checkout. To get started with Runway, the first thing we need to do is create an account. Once I'm inside the dashboard, I'll head over to the Agent section. From there, I'll click on the Skills icon, where you'll notice that Runway Agent already comes with a collection of ready-made skills. For this demonstration, I'll be selecting the UGC video skill because I want to see whether it can generate a complete talking to camera product ad from a single request. Before we begin though, I need to make sure my product image is ready. For this example, I'll be using this AI-generated sunscreen product image. To upload it into Runway, I'll click the plus icon, choose Upload, and import the image. Once that's done, I'll paste in the following prompt. Create a natural UGC-style advertisement for a lightweight sunscreen. Show a young woman speaking directly to the camera while applying the sunscreen as part of her morning skincare routine. Emphasize that it feels lightweight, leaves no white cast, absorbs quickly, and provides SPF 50 protection. Keep the tone friendly, authentic, and conversational, as if she's recommending the product to a friend. End with a simple call to action, encouraging viewers to try it for themselves. After pasting the prompt, I'll click the arrow to continue. Runway will analyze both my product image and prompt before asking a series of questions to personalize the video. The first question is, what should the presenter look like? The available options include relatable girl next door, polished and put together, and energetic Gen Z. I decided to go with relatable girl next door because it matches the natural makeup, casual appearance, and cozy home setting I was aiming for. Of course, if you prefer a different style, you can always choose another option. The next question is, what's the shooting style? For this one, I selected propped phone with a casual room setup because I wanted the video to have that raw, authentic smartphone feel. Finally, Runway asks for the duration of the video. I'll choose 20 seconds because I want the ad to be short, engaging, and punchy without losing the audience's attention. After completing those selections, Runway lets me know that it's about to generate 2 character images using its Gen 4 image model. The images are ready. This is what I get. Overall, Gen 4 does a great job of creating a photorealistic presenter, but its struggles to accurately recreate the details of my product packaging. To fix that, I simply tell Runway that I want to regenerate the images using Nano instead. After switching models, this is the new results. As you can see, Nano does a much better job of preserving the product's appearance while still maintaining a realistic looking presenter. With that solved, I select option A from the Nano results and continue. Runway then analyzes everything again and prepares the video generation prompt. Before creating the video, it lets me know that segment 1 is ready. I can also see that it's using Cdance 2 as the video generation model with a duration of 10 seconds at 720p resolution. After generating the first segment, this is the result I got.
I used to skip sunscreen every single morning because everyone I tried left this gross white cast until I found this. SPF 50, and look how lightweight.
While reviewing it, I noticed some distortion around the product application, so it's time to put on my director hat. Before moving on to the next segment, I ask Runway to make a correction using the following instruction. She opens the cap, squeezes a small amount onto her palm, lowers the tube out of frame, then gently rubs the sunscreen onto her cheeks and face using smooth circular motions. After applying the correction, this is the updated result.
Okay, I used to skip sunscreen every single morning because everyone I tried left this gross white cast until I found this. SPF 50, and look how lightweight that is.
As you can see, it's a noticeable improvement over the original version. Once I'm happy with it, I continue to generate the second segment, but before generating the next section, I decide to change the overall shooting style by giving Runway another instruction. Can I get a more authentic, everyday user experience, UGC-style selfie video? I want it to feel like a real person filming themselves on their phone, with multiple natural cuts instead of one continuous shot. Runway automatically rewrites that request into an optimized production prompt and asks me to confirm it. Once everything looks good, I click generate. This is the first segment.
Okay, so this sunscreen has completely changed my morning routine, SPF 50, and it feels like literally nothing on your skin.
And this is the second.
No white cast, absorbs so fast. I'm actually obsessed. Go try it, seriously.
One thing I really like here is how flexible the workflow is. We spotted an issue, made a correction, changed the overall filming style midway through production, and Runway handled each revision without forcing us to start over from scratch. Once both video segments are complete, Runway lets me know that they're ready on the timeline. To access them, I'll click the timeline icon. Inside the editor, I can see that both segments have already been placed together automatically. If I want to add more scenes, I can simply drag new clips onto the timeline. For example, if I wanted to extend the video, I could type something like, add a new scene featuring the same character at a sunny beach, casually holding and showing off the sunscreen to the camera in a natural selfie style shot. Once the new scene is generated, I simply drag it into the timeline, and this is the result.
Okay, so this sunscreen has completely changed my morning routine, SPF 50, and it feels like literally nothing on your skin.
No white cast, absorbs so fast. I'm actually obsessed. Go try it, seriously.
And yes, I wear this to the beach too. SPF 50, no white car, I'm fully protected, and my skin.
I also created another beach scene by asking Runway to include a passerby in the background while keeping the interaction natural and realistic. This is what it generated.
And the best part is, it's completely invisible. You don't even know it's on.
Excuse me, what product is that?
Oh, it's Sunova, SPF 50, no white cast. It's amazing. It's like a daily glow in a tube.
I think this is a really interesting workflow for anyone who regularly creates UGC-style advertisements or marketing content. Instead of juggling multiple AI tools or repeating the same production process every time you launch a new product, Runway Agent can take you from a single prompt all the way to a polished, editable advertisement. The ability to make revisions, generate additional scenes, and even save the entire workflow as a reusable skill makes the process much faster and far more scalable for future projects. Don't forget to try them yourself. I've included my special link in the description below. You can also get 50% off your first month on any paid Runway plan by using the code SKILLS50 at checkout. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.